So I got this dresser at the Salvation Army for $40 yesterday. I want to put it in my office. I want to, have a big piece in there where I can keep some of my crafting supplies and stuff. So I thought this one was perfect for me to get. And I went and they priced it for me and I got it for $39.99. Of course, at the top, if you see, it was $49.99, but I always have my $10 off coupon, so I got $10 off of that, $39.99. So I am going to redo it and bring it up to speed so that it will match what I have going on in the office that I'm putting together. And here it is, guys, after sanding it down with fine sandpaper and giving it 2 coats of black spray paint, satin finish from Valspar. And I also spray painted the handles with my gold Rust-Oleum metallic finish spray paint. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. To the top, I just, added some things to it just to kind of get an idea of how I want it to look. I've placed a tray down and some beautiful pieces inside the tray. You'll see my DIY perfume bottles that I did a while back. As well, I added my DIY jewelry box and I've put it on a little pedestal to give it some height. Absolutely beautiful. If you haven't seen those videos yet, I'll add some cards, that way you can check them out. This beautiful 3-piece set I got at Value Village. I thrifted them. I think they were about $12 or so for the set, but I think they're absolutely beautiful. And this tray that they're sitting in, I actually got that at Lowe's as well. It was $24.99. It is absolutely gorgeous and totally goes with the decor that I'm looking at for my office. So this is just another piece that I've added. I've started to add some wall pieces, but once everything's finished, I'll show you what it looks like. This is a picture of me that I've had for a while, and if you notice, I've mixed my metals a little bit, but absolutely beautiful.